देखो देखो, हमारा स्कूल। पिछले कुछ वर्षों की हंसी मीठी यादें हमारे साथ हैं। वो भी क्या दिन थे जब हमारे स्कूल का यह प्रांगण बच्चों की चहल पहल और शोर शराबे से भरा होता था।
पर पिछले वर्ष से ये चहल पहल गायब है। पिछले वर्ष से कोरोना संक्रमण के कारण हमारे स्कूल की दीवारें भी खामोशी का अनुभव कर रही हैं।
जहाँ चारों ओर बच्चों की गूंज होती और दौड़ते भागते बच्चे नजर आते, वहाँ अब सन्नाटा पसरा है।
पर मैं यह भी महसूस कर पा रही हूँ कि चिड़ियों की चहचहाहट, उनकी आज़ादी भरी उड़ान इस पर्यावरण में चांद लगा रही है।
हाँ, देखो ये तितलियाँ कितनी आज़ादी से इन फूलों पर मंडरा रही हैं।
पर पल पल में अपने स्कूल की हर गतिविधियों को याद करती हूँ। हमारे वो दौड़ भाग, एक दूसरे के टिफिन पर टूट पड़ना और मिलजुल कर आनंद लेना।
चलो,
Change is the law of nature. We are very happy to introduce you the current change that took place in our academic session of year 2021-22.
of course we are talking about our principal, Sister Maria, a very familiar face to all of us. We are elated to have you back, sister.
Respected Reverend Mother Annie, our principal, Sister Maria, Vice Principal, Sister Vinaya, all our dear teachers, and our dearest and dearest friends. It's our will and wish to join you all in this virtual assembly 2021-22.
We all have fears. Sometimes they control us. Sometimes they destroy us. Only the light of God transforms us. This noble thought, let's start this morning by now, I request our respected principal, Sister Maria, Vice Principal, Sister Vinaya, Staff Secretary, Shiny Ma'am, and Student Representative, Muskan and Chuck, to come and open up. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. In the morning, shower your mercy on us full measure, so that we may have joy and light all our days.
Let the pleasure of the Lord, our God, be on us. O Lord, give strength to the work of our hands.
Let's join our hands for prayer.
I raise a hallelujah in the presence of my knees. I raise a hallelujah louder than the unbelief. I raise a hallelujah. My weapon is a melody. I raise a hallelujah. Heaven comes to fight for me. I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm. Louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roar from the ashes. Hope will arise. That is defeated. The King is alive. I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm. Louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roar from the ashes. Hope will arise. That is defeated. The King is alive. I'll raise a hallelujah with everything inside of me. I'll raise a hallelujah. I will wash the darkness free. I'll raise a hallelujah in
Education gives us an understanding of the whole world around us and offers us an opportunity to use that knowledge wisely.
Yes, education is the platform which makes it possible to defeat all barriers. I feel honored to invite an effective motivational speaker, Reverend Mother Annie. Mother, your experiences and guidance will surely help us gain knowledge and fill us with vibrant energy. At the same time, she will welcome our Principal, Sister Maria, and Vice Principal, Sister Vinaya.
Good morning to everybody. Dear loving Sister Maria, the principal of the school, Sister Vinaya, the vice principal of the school, I'm extremely happy to welcome and introduce you to the school. As you all know, Sister Maria, a very well experienced, efficient and elegant principal. In her guidance, the school will do very well. I am confident for that. Sister Vinaya, the vice principal, is also very competent and confident in her teaching experience and in her administrative work. Both of them together will do very well with the dedicated staff of our school. They can do wonders. Dear parents, we are very much grateful to you for your cooperation. A word of thanks to our beloved staff members. Through their dedicated life, they are also doing this season, in this COVID season, wonderfully well. Dear students, hope you will make use of your time and you can become the best citizens of the world. I hope and I pray and I wish all the best for all of you.
School memories are ever fresh as dew in the hearts of our kids. Fiona is here with us to recite an excellent poem about going back to school.
Hello friends, today I am going to recite a poem, Back to School. Summer is over, fall is here, back to school for a brand new year. Pack your things, on the bus you go, make new friends and say hello. Reading, writing, learning more than you ever did before. Adding numbers 1, 2, 3, so much to do. Learn and
The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide that you're not going to stay where you are.
Now, let's conclude this assembly with our respected principal, Sister Maria's words of gratitude for joining with us today.
A warm and pleasant good morning to one and all. Reverend Mother Annie, our manager, respected teachers and my dear students. I am very happy to welcome you all back to this new school year. We are so excited to begin another great academic year. I hope we are enjoying a wonderful summer, though the lockdown situation limits the freedom of moments. I also hope you are relaxed, recharged, and ready to start a new section. I am so delighted that you are part of our amazing learning community. I welcome and value your positive energy and dedication to excellence in education. Though the pandemic COVID-19 is keeping us a distance away from real classrooms, but we are blessed to meet in virtual classrooms. Our skilled and dedicated staff is already planning and preparing something new for you. Students, we look forward to serve you and make sure that you have an enjoyable and successful year. Let us strive to make this year incredible. I remember a Chinese proverb, learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. So, have passion for learning and it will be the great ascent in life. It is said, let every new year a new journey to be started, a new promise to be fulfilled, a new page to be written. One may face new challenges, opportunities, and growth. Try your best in everything you do. Stay positive, have fun, and keep smiling. Thank you all for your commitment and dedication to raise Deepthi a successful school in all inspiring. I am eagerly looking forward to greet students and parents, and it is again an honor and privilege for me to serve you as your principal. I know we will make this school year as the best and wonderful academic year. Dear students, today on 25th June, we are starting our online classes. Be regular and be sincere to the instruction of your teachers and parents. Wish you all the best and all the best for a good start. Thank you.
मैं रोज मौजूद थी, समझ नहीं आता स्कूल था या जन्नत।
काश एक बार फिर वो देखा, पक्का इस बार ना जाने का कोई बात नहीं।
कैसी पलट गई है जिंदगी। पहले स्कूल न जाने का बहाना ढूंढते थे और अब स्कूल जाने तक का मौका नहीं मिलता।
काश एक बार फिर वो दिन हसीन हो, कुछ समय के लिए भी सही स्कूल के दिन में जाए। देखो मुस्कान, वो मेरी क्लास है
और वो मेरी। देखो ना, सब कितना शांत है।
हाँ, चलो अंदर देखते हैं। चलो।
सच में बहुत याद आती है हमें हमारे स्कूल की, वो प्रार्थना सभाएं, वो हमारा प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस जिसमें हम समय समय पर सज़ा के लिए भेजे जाते थे, वो क्लासरूम जिसमें हम डिजिटल बोर्ड में पढ़ाई करते थे,
हमारी वो लाइब्रेरी, हमारे वो प्रैक्टिकल रूम जहाँ हम टेस्ट ट्यूब और बीकर की तोड़फोड़ करने का अलग आनंद लेते थे,
हमारा वो फुटबॉल ग्राउंड, बास्केटबॉल ग्राउंड। ओह, कब लौटेंगे हम यहाँ।
समृद्धि, क्या तुम्हें याद है यहाँ हमारी प्रार्थना सभाएं हुआ करती थी? पर इतना सूनापन है यहाँ।
हाँ मुस्कान, आओ हम ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करें कि हमारा स्कूल जल्द से जल्द खुले।
इन सबको हम फिर से कब महसूस करते हैं? पर नहीं, हमें निराश होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे शिक्षक हमें किसी भी हाल में कमज़ोर नहीं होने देंगे। हाँ, वे अपने दायित्व का निर्वहन करते हुए पिछले साल से बहुत अच्छे से हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी ले रहे हैं।
और अब जब संक्रमण का खतरा है तो हमारी नई क्लासेस 25 जून से प्रारंभ हो रही है। मैं तो इस बात से बहुत खुश हूँ। और तुम?
मैं भी बहुत। हमें आशान्वित रहकर उस समय का इंतज़ार करना है जब हमारे ईश्वर हमें इन सारी परेशानियों से निकाल एक संक्रमण मुक्त और आशाओं से भरा एक खुशहाल संसार देंगे।
और वो दिन भी आएगा जब मैदानों में गूंज वापस आएगी और हम एक दूसरे से मिलकर खुशहाल रहेंगे।